couple things about making the class melody. Once you have gotten into the program, you can see the piano roll here or the score roll. A couple things. You can zoom in and out here, make this bigger or smaller. You can do the same thing up here. If you don't see this down here, double click and it will reveal or conceal. Again, you can go back and forth. Another thing is, if the timing isn't set properly here, come up here and click on the 2 here, or double click on it. And if yours said 4, you can turn it to a 2. And I have loop on. Loop is kind of helpful if you want to play through it. When you do this yellow bar, you can extend to the duration that you need and turn that on or off. I like to leave it on so I can hear the notes. I think the hardest one to work on is the triplet. In the piano roll, you can see that they're fairly equal in size, but they overlap a little bit. So you just extend or contract these until you get the triplet. You can mess around them in here, but I just find this to be a little harder to work with. So when you go back here, when you see a pattern that's similar, like this one right here, copy and paste them. And if you see a pattern like this, you look around, there's the same one there, copy and paste that. And how you copy and paste is you can drag over, hold the Option key, and you can drag, or just Command C to copy, go to where you want them to be, and paste. I didn't want it there, but anyway, you get the idea. If you drag over one of the bars and just hold on it, you will see the musical note that it is. I recommend C3, and that usually works pretty well. And when you're all done, go to Share, Export Song to Disk, and you want to pick MP3, and you can save it on your desktop. And say I named it here, I'll export it out, then you'll have an MP3 file that you can upload to SoundCloud. And then the last piece is take a screenshot of your notation down here, upload that to Flickr, and embed it in your blog.